tapping on my pen. The bed feels so empty, calling your name. Your suitcase is gone, but your scent lingers near. I'm drowning in silence and my heart can't steer. The clock keeps ticking, but time stands still. These nights without you are too much to feel. Every step I take, the shadows grow. Walking this lonely road with nowhere to go. I got the lonely road blues heavy on my soul, searching for your love in a world so cold. Every mile takes me further away, but your memory's the price I pay. Oh, I'm lost, so lost without you, carrying these lonely road blues. The jukebox plays the song we used to love. Now every word cuts deeper than it ever was. I wear your promises like a faded dress, torn at the seams, left in this mess. Your shadow's with me every step I take, but it's just a ghost of the love we made. I try to move forward, but my heart won't leave, caught in the echo of the pain I grieve. Oh, I got the lonely road blues heavy on my soul, searching for your love in a world so cold. Every mile takes me further away, but your memory's the price I pay. Oh, I'm lost, so lost without you, carrying these lonely road blues. I scream to the wind, but it won't reply, just carries your name through the darkened sky. I'm chasing a dream that I'll never find, a love that's left me far behind. I got the lonely road blues heavy on my soul, searching for your love in a world so cold. Every mile takes me further away, but your memory's the price I pay.